Hey Big Review TV, Nina here at Helensvale on the Gold Coast. Now if you're interested in motorbikes, I have the place for you. We are at Total Bike Care and next door they've even got Gold Coast quads. So these guys take care and fix all kind of motorbikes, and next door they've got quads for sale, bikes for sale, scooters and buggies. So let's go check it out.
Hi, you can find us at totalbikecare.com.au or come down to the shop and say hi at 168 Siganto Drive, Helensvale, just by the M1.